Today, we are going to make tea. I'm narrating the video! First things first, you want to add water. Now, we have plenty of water here, but you don't go over the max. Now, for this tea, we're gonna hit this button and turn it on, like so. But we don't want it too hot. Because over here, where we keep this tea for you, and it's herbal tea. So black tea, you want it at like 212. Oops, turned it off. Come over here, and we need a cup. Yeah, there we go. And then we open this box. Get one of these tea packets out. And then we open it like so, and then pull out the tea, and you put one bag in there. We wrap this around once so you don't lose the bag. Come over here, and you like one of these packets of sugar. So we're gonna get one of these packets of sugar. Now look at that. It's already starting to heat up. So then we open this packet of sugar, like so, and we pull that sugar in there. And then we take that, we clean up the mess we make, always. And then we let this come to a boil. And it'll turn off automatically when it reaches that temperature. Now you see that turned off. So we take this, like so, pour some hot water in there. But you don't fill it to the top. You don't want to leave a little room. And you go over here. And, hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes, please.
It's nice of you to ask so nicely. 5 minutes, and we're starting now.
Thank you. And look at that. Timer's going off. Okay, Google, turn the timer off. So then, take this little tea packet out. Set it aside. Come in here, and then you grab the half and half. And pour it in, like so. Put this back. Make sure it looks exactly the same as you left it, so no one knows you used it. And then, take it.
Oh, pretty baby. Pretty baby. Pretty baby. Oh, Daddy made me tea. Thank you, Daddy.
Drink it.
It's hot.
Drink it.
It's very hot.
Sip it.